ICM tokens just exploded 17% in 24 hours, while a protocol that lost $220 million to hackers is making a stunning comeback today. This is what you need to know right now about the markets that never sleep. What's up, crypto crew? Alex here from Moonward Capital with your Crypto Pulse flash update for June 8th, 2025. If you're new here, these 6-minute briefings keep you ahead of the crowd with the most critical developments happening right now. Let's dive straight into what's moving the markets today. Bitcoin is holding steady above $105,000 following last week's political drama between Trump and Musk that triggered nearly $900 million in liquidations. But the real story is happening elsewhere. The ICM sector, that's Internet Capital Markets, has absolutely exploded with a staggering 17.67% gain in just 24 hours. Meanwhile, DeFAI projects are down nearly 9%, showing a clear rotation of capital between sectors. Let's break down exactly what's happening with these two major stories. First, this ICM sector explosion. Index coat market tokens like SPX 6900 are leading with gains approaching 7% as institutional capital floods into these on-chain index products. What makes this interesting is how dramatically money is flowing from AI-focused applications to these tokenized index products. ICM essentially creates a decentralized stock market for internet projects, allowing immediate trading of tokenized concepts. Launchcoin is now approaching a $300 million valuation, despite minimal utility beyond its own ecosystem. The question is, are we witnessing genuine innovation in capital formation, or just another short-lived crypto narrative? Meanwhile, we're seeing something truly remarkable with Cetus Protocol. After suffering a devastating $220 million hack in May, Cetus is officially relaunching today after recovering most of the stolen funds. Through a combination of $162 million in recovered assets, team treasury contributions, and a $30 million loan from the Sui Foundation, they've managed to restore between 85 and 99% of liquidity, depending on the pool. This recovery represents a new standard for hack response in DeFi. Rather than collapsing, the protocol implemented a comprehensive plan that preserved most user funds while strengthening security. What's most interesting is how the Sui ecosystem is responding positively, with SUI tokens up 3.2% today, while the broader market is mixed. Looking at derivatives data, we're seeing mixed signals across major assets. Bitcoin funding rates remain negative at 0.04771, suggesting potential for a short squeeze if positive momentum continues. Meanwhile, ETH funding has flipped positive at 0.3843, while Solana remains bearish at 0.959. Market sentiment is cautiously optimistic with the Fear and Greed Index at 6231, firmly in greed territory. So what should you be watching over the next 24 hours? First, monitor Cetus Protocol's user metrics as an indicator of confidence returning to the Sui ecosystem. A successful relaunch could create opportunities across the ecosystem. Second, watch for potential bubble formation in the ICM sector. While the narrative is compelling, the rapid price appreciation raises questions about sustainability. Third, keep an eye on Wednesday's CPI data release, which could significantly impact market sentiment in the Fed's rate path. That's your Crypto Pulse update for today. Remember, we deliver these flash briefings every 12 hours to keep you ahead of the crowd. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the ICM surge, bubble, or breakthrough. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in 12 hours with our next update. Stay informed, stay ahead.